Okay, this is my Christmas tree. As you can see, it's very flashy. I like flashy Christmas trees. But we are actually going to see the blizzard. I posted earlier footage of the blizzard, but it's even worse now. So let's check. Okay, folks. Here is my front porch, which normally this is where I keep my vacuum cleaner, and here's some Christmas lights, but you can see that the snow has clearly entered the building here. And let's see what it looks like outside. Now, I haven't been outside in a while, and I started shoveling a little bit, and I couldn't get very far because I left my boots in Tom's River. Thank you very much. They're really doing me good there. Hang on. Here, I'm taking my life in my hands here, opening this door. I don't even know what to expect outside. Alright, here we go. Alright, here. Holy cow. Now, my friend Sam is the emergency management director of Seaside Heights, and he's the fire chief. It's my friend Kim's husband. I was talking to her on the telephone because he was out in the deuce and a half, the big thing, the military. Because people were out driving in this. My car is safely tucked away. Look at that. Look at my neighbor's awning. It's probably going to collapse. Sam said this is the worst he's ever seen. He was out saving people all night. And clearly, about 3 hours ago, I went out, shoveled out here. And good thing I didn't do very much. My garbage can is now completely covered over. Even the garbage can. I'm trying to get the other houses. It's hard to hold the door open. It's windy. Ugh.